Morning students. Let's continue our chapter lesson 18, Great Inventions. Already we have done this chapter, some of the inventions. We will do some more today. Okay, two inventions we will learn. Who invented in one? Aeroplane and car. Okay, before this you have learned about computer, paper, printing machine, telephone, okay, steam engine. So this is the last chapter of your portion. Take your book, page 97, aeroplane. Or when you are small, or when you now also, when an aeroplane crosses or you hear the voice, you just want to see where it is flying, how it is flying. Many of you must have sat also into it, and if not sat, must have seen it in the movies, pictures and all. For thousands of years, people used to dream of flying. Okay, we know in the early times there was no transportation at all. Okay, people used to think of flying in the sky, and they were not even having a transport on the land. So many people tried many different ways of inventing something to fly in the sky. So in 1783, okay, so in 1783, who named Joseph and Jacques Montgolfier, these are the two men, made a hot air balloon. Not made aeroplane, they made a hot air balloon. Okay, so this was made a hot air balloon by whom? The name is Joseph and Jacques Montgolfier. Okay, they made a hot air balloon, and the balloon was unmanned. Unmanned, there is no staff sitting into it or no crew into it. Like you have aeroplanes, na? There is a pilot. If you have a car or bus, you have a driver into it. So that is, you have somebody to drive it. But unmanned is, there is nobody sitting it to drive it. Okay, it is like controlled by remote controlled. But now that the hot air balloon was not having a remote control, but it has no staff also to ride it or drive it or fly it, and no crew also. So the unmanned balloon could fly only 2 kilometers of distance, and now flying in the aeroplane needs to travel long distance. Now you can travel thousands of kilometers. But the first time when they tried hot air balloon, in which no driver is there or no pilot was there, it flew only for 2 kilometers. Then they launched a balloon with animals. Okay, so it was sent empty, it flew for 2 kilometers and then it came down. Then what did it? They kept into it some animals, a sheep, a cock and a duck. So उसमें क्या रख दिया? एक भेड़ रख दी, एक बत्तख रख दिया और एक मुर्गा या मुर्गी whatever रख दिया उसमें. Okay, and it could fly only for 3.5 kilometers. Okay, so there was some more changes made. Now it could fly 3 to 3.5 kilometers. Finally, they were able to send a balloon with 2 persons. They tried slowly, changes were made. So first, the hot air balloon was sent empty. It flew only 2 kilometers. Then they sent it with some animals, cock, sheep and duck. It flew for 3 to 3.5 kilometers. Then finally they put into the hot air balloon 2 men, okay, and it was blown. Then it was left. So the 2 persons, who were the 2 persons? Jean F. Pilare de Rosaria and Francisco L. de Andraldes. These were the 2 men who sat into the hot air balloon. The first manned balloon. Now unmanned I told you, which is driven by something. उसमें कोई staff है चलाने के लिए, कोई pilot है. Now manned means जिसमें कोई है चलाने. Unmanned means जिसमें कोई नहीं है. The first hot air balloon was unmanned. There was no driver or pilot. Nobody was there. Okay. But when the hot air balloon was sent with the 2 men, the names I told you, Jean F. Pilare de Rosaria and Franciscus L. de Alderaz. These two men, when they were put into the hot air balloon, the first manned balloon flew successfully. It was driven, flown by somebody. उसको चलाया जा रहा था, not without anyone. Okay, so it flew over Paris for 25 minutes and covered 8 kilometers of distance. So there are some more changes kept on coming. First 2 kilometers, then 3.5 kilometers with 2 men flying it. It had covered 8 kilometers of distance. And slowly many changes were made. Meanwhile, other inventions had turned their attentions to gliders. Now, the gliders, gliders, hot air balloon, is the difference, is a balloon. You can see in the picture also, okay? And gliders you can see in the picture, it is shown here in this picture. Na? पंख होते हैं पतंग की तरह, okay? So gliders were made. Now, but the early gliders were hard to control. Now, how to control it? Which direction, when to land? It was difficult. So, in 1903, Wright brothers built their first engine aeroplane. So, first engine aeroplane was made by the Wright two brothers. They were called as Wright brothers. W-R-I-G-H-T. Wright brothers. Okay. Wright brothers made the first engine aeroplane, which was run by engine. Okay. Now, named it Flyer. So the first aeroplane made by Wright brothers when in 1903. Okay. It was made in 1903. And the name of aeroplane they kept as Flyer. They kept as Flyer. Alright. And with a person in it. So he successfully flew the first plane with person in it. And it flew over how much? 120 feet in about 12 seconds. This much distance it covered, okay, in 12 seconds with a person. So there are so many changes came. First hot air balloon was there, set alone, then with animals, then with 2 men. It covered 8 kilometers of distance. Then gliders came. It was very difficult to control. Then 2 brothers, Wright brothers, in 1903 they made an engine driven aeroplane which is called as Flyer. Okay. And it flew 12 seconds. It flew for 12 seconds. Gradually many changes came about before the aeroplane could be used in various ways. So slowly many changes were made in the aeroplane before it could be used by a number of people or by the people. So उसमें बहुत सारे modifications were. Now you can see we have fantastic aeroplanes. The first aeroplane in India was flown by J.R.D. Tata in 1932 from Karachi to Bombay. Today we can reach any corner of the world by catching a flight. Okay, so this flight which we are using has gone through a lot of modifications and changes. Then only we have today such a perfect thing of invention of aeroplane that many people can sit together and we can travel any part of the world in hours and minutes. Okay, that is about aeroplane. Okay, car. Next is your car. Many of you have seen car. It is a common thing. Must have sat. Must be having your own personal also. So the car in which we all travel was not invented in single day or by a single. So car कोई एक दिन में नहीं और बनी और ना ही एक जन में, क्योंकि कार में बहुत सारी टायर्स हैं, सीट्स हैं, इंजन है, बॉडी है, so many steering, so many things are there, ना. So it was not made by one person and it was not made in one day. It took much time, many modifications. So its evolution, changes came. First car you can see in the picture in your book, it is shown with the picture of Carl Benz. So a lot of changes came into it. So its evolution took place worldwide. The first practical car was designed in 1885 by Carl Benz. पहली जो कार बनी थी वो ऐसी नहीं थी कि जैसे अभी हमारे पास है 4 व्हीलर्स, 4 व्हील होते हैं, उसमें एक स्टेयरिंग होता है, इंजन होता है. नॉट लाइक दैट. इट वॉज मेड बाय कार्ल बेंज इन 1885 and picture you can see it looks like somewhat like a rickshaw or a cart. Okay, so it was driven by, and then again a German mechanical engineer Carl Benz in 1885 made, and Henry Ford an American engineer. So this engineer is a German from Germany. He is from Henry Ford from America. Improved the assembly line for automobiles. Automobiles means जो भी हम vehicles यूज़ करते हैं उसमें बहुत सारे improvement और changes आए. Manufacturing invented a petrol car that we are using today, petrol and diesel car. So it has come to us with lots of modification. It was not as we have today. Okay, so the first car invention of petrol car was made by Carl Benz in 1885, and he was a German engineer, and he is a, that means Henry Ford was an American one, and it has got a lot of changes. Before it had no 4 wheel, 2 wheels only, no proper seats and steering and engine, but slowly modifications were made. Okay, so today we have learned only about 2 inventions, aeroplane and car. Okay, read about these 2 inventions today, only about aeroplane and car, when it was invented, name of the person, from which place it belonged, all that. Okay, and prepare yourself for exam. Please complete all the work in copy on time.